Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to delete blank page in Google Docs. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Google Docs by clicking these 9 dots. Then scroll a little and tap on Docs. Now open the document on which you want to make changes. Deleting blank page in Google Docs, it's actually quite simple, and you might be getting confused because here you can see I have a certain document, and here I have the first page filled with text, second page also filled with text, but this page exists, but there's nothing inside it, so as you can see it's totally blank. So how do I delete this blank page? Well, you might think that this is blank, but this is not blank. Because if it was blank, the page wouldn't exist. That is because you just need to actually hold your mouse cursor like this, and see here you can see all this. This is because you have pressed enter over here. So if I press enter, 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 enter like this, it'll move on to the bottom and the page is going to get filled even with enter and spaces. So what you want to do is you actually want to come back, remove all this, and then when you come back over here to the second page over here, you can see now that this page, which is the blank page, no longer exists. Another way of deleting blank page from a Google Docs is to select the page and then click on Delete button on your keyboard. In this way, you can delete blank pages from Google Docs. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.